So, wherewithal. So, yung wherewithal is money, also known as ready money for a specific purpose. So, ibig sabihin, pambayad, perang pambayad. Okay? So, again, another English vocabulary, finance vocabulary, and business vocabulary. Business management yan at saka English vocabulary, yung wherewithal na yan. No? Yung pera ang pambayad o yung ready money in payment for something. So, yan yung mga importanteng nalalaman natin. Ang bayad ng kung ano man. So, yun ang ibig sabihin yan. Ready money, pambayad sa kung ano mang dapat bayaran. Diba? Means, perang pambayad as a means of, ganyan. Utilities, or rent, or mortgage, o kung ano man. Diba? O amortization, taxes, yan, ganyan. So, yun lang po.